Ever made a commit, instantly regretted it, and wished you could just rewind time in your code? Well, in this tutorial, we're diving into how to undo your most recent commit in GitHub, covering essential strategies to correct mistakes and maintain a clean project history, all while keeping your code stable. Let's say you've just committed some changes, maybe added a buggy feature, or you've made a mistake. Time to undo that last commit. The first method involves simply discarding the changes. Imagine that you just added a file you didn't want to. If you have not pushed the changes yet to a remote repository, it's the simplest option. First, you use a command to automatically revert the changes added with the recent commit. But this command does not modify any files, your local directory. Be warned, this process changes the history. If you have pushed, this command won't work, and we'll tackle this in a moment. Then, you undo the commit and take you back to the state before that last commit, as if it never existed then. You rewrite the commit with the corrected changes you want to make. Now you can commit those corrected changes if you pushed up your commits. Then you're going to need an alternative method. This method will introduce new revert commit that will undo the effects of your unwanted commit. This approach is safer when dealing with a shared branch because it avoids rewriting history. A revert commit negates the changes of the previous commit, essentially canceling it out. Remember, with either method, always double-check your intended outcome and test your code to make sure you've resolved the issue. Mastering these techniques can save you a lot of headaches and help you become a more confident and efficient developer. You are fully equipped now. Happy coding!